Hello there and welcome. In this video, I will be reviewing the Udimi advertising platform. If you're looking for red hot targeted buyer leads, please stick around to the very end of this video. I have a gift for you. So here I am on the homepage of the Udimi platform, right? So it's a very simple landing page. It says get quality advertising today, and you can actually register your free account, right? Just to check it out. So get buyers, not just clicks. So these are top sellers who've delivered traffic this week, which is this platform is really good. It really gives you all the information to make an informed decision, right? I've had experience with this one. This is my first seller I used, and he keeps popping up as well, so I might give him a go at some point and leave a review as well. So as you can see, I'm just scrolling down the page there. Again, your success is inevitable, and it's just showing you the reviews that are coming in live as well, which is pretty cool. Okay, so you can go through this landing page here. You have video testimonials, and yeah, it's I think this page is worth its own video, right? But I'm gonna log in and show you what happens on the inside. So I'm gonna I don't want to sign up, sorry about that. I want to log in. Google. Be lost without Google. Okay, here I am logged in, right? So once you log in, you get taken to your profile page. That's the way I have mine set up anyway, right? But it's worth noting that's me. I've got 3 thumbs up, which is pretty cool. And it's worth noting that by registering a free account with Udimi, you actually automatically become an affiliate. So what that means is you have this link here, right? Your own version of this link, which you can use to share on social media and get traffic, get people to actually register free accounts, right? And if they decide to order, you get 15% from their orders. And this is a free version of it, right? You can actually start to make money with Udimi straight away by just promoting the link and getting 15% from the orders. However, there's also a paid version called Prime, and with that version, it costs $30 per month, and you get 50% of every monthly referral that you get, right? So if you refer 2 people and they both upgrade to the Prime level, you're actually getting Prime for free. And you're also given a $5 discount as well. You can give that away for their first order. So as you can see here, I'm only testing the system. I've only had a few orders so far. So if you're coming in here brand new, what I recommend you to do is you go to add text. And once you're in add text, you can add a new link. See, I have these 2 links here. And what you can do is add your link. This is the most newbie friendly to get traffic. So you paste your link here and you can name it as well, right? So you can see those are my links. That's all I had to do. Go into add text and input that. See this add new swipe here? I don't give them any swipes. They're professionals. They have the email list. I let them use their swipes, right? All I do is submit, give them the links. That's all. So then let's go and find ourselves a seller then, right? Go here, find sellers. So as you can see here, right? There's default settings, but what you can do is you can choose whatever settings that you want. You can choose the maximum price. You want to go the lowest, or you want to go the highest, you want to go in between. You can choose your niche, which niche you want to target. You can choose a rating. You can choose people who have got thumbs up, like they've got 10, more than 10, more than 25. So you can choose the ratings there, right? Got sales. So after every order, you're prompted to review your sales and to say if you got sales or not, right? So you can choose that people who've got 20% sales. And then you can choose to organize the list according to sales, rating, and price. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to click on one of these, right? And see what it's like to order clicks. This is, imagine you're a newbie, and I'm going to pick a random person here. I'm going to click Glenn because he has his kids there, and I have kids, so it's pretty cool. So once you click that, you can see you're taken to his profile, right? If you click this, you can add him to your favorites, so you can always access him very easy. And you can see he's got 524 thumbs up, and he's got 4. We can't please 4 thumbs down, right? So you can't please all the people all the time. But you can see 25% have got sales from him. Price per visitor is 40 cents. Repeat orders, right? This platform is just brilliant. You're literally not going in blind. It's giving you all the tools you need to research the person you're ordering clicks from. Then you can see here, right? Its default was 300 visitors, but you can pick how many visitors you wanna order. So his minimum is 100, so you can order 100 at that's gonna cost you $43, or you can order as much as 1,000 visitors, right? The other thing that you can do is you can filter it. So this, because I'm a Prime member, right, that's automatically filtered. I'll talk you through what that means. Oh, I did already, that's fine. But that base filter is there for you as well. So what you can do, you can pick the traffic to only come from mobile. You can pick only top tier traffic. So if you pick only top tier traffic, you're picking traffic from countries like the USA and UK, Canada, those big English speaking countries, right? Actually, it tells you there as well. USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore. So the moment you do that, you notice that the price goes up once you start to mess with the filters. And then the next thing you do is, remember when we added the ads here? When we click this drop down menu, we can pick which page we want to send them to. And then all you do, this is how simple it is add to cart and then follow the step-by-step instructions, right? Now, let me fast forward to what happens to the results and after you've ordered it. So this is really good. There's a countdown timer. He has time to deliver the order within a certain time frame, and they always deliver within a certain time frame. So I'm going to show you the kind of reports that you get after placing an order, right? So I'm going to go over to orders here. And I'm going to scroll down to the very first order I ever placed, right? So the very first time I placed an order, I didn't track it in my back office. So I quickly learned, and from then on, every order I've tracked. But this is their report on their end, right? So every step of the way, it shows you what stage your order is in. And then here it shows you I ordered 50 clicks, right? And he delivered 58. So he over-delivered by 8. It shows that 2 were filtered, so they were bad. 2 were useless, right? So the platform has you covered. It's making sure that you get good quality clicks. And then if we go down further, you can see that these clicks, remember that top tier thing that puts the price up? I never clicked that. But even though I never clicked that, I got 78% of the opt-ins of the traffic came from United States, United Kingdom, New Zealand, Slovenia, Canada, right? So it's actually telling you what percentage and where they're coming from. There's a map there as well. And then I gave him a thumbs up, and he gave me a thumbs up. I gave him a thumbs up as well. So I suppose the 3 thumbs up I have is from the 3 sellers I've ordered from. Yeah, so there it just gives you more information. I absolutely, as you can see, I'm new to this platform, but I absolutely love it. It's brilliant. Let me see what this is here. Yeah, it's just more info. More info. You can see it cost me $23 for those 50 clicks. The messages between himself and I, opt-ins, my notes. So yeah, if you're interested in spending $23 to get 50 clicks to your offer, right? I want to give you a gift. Click the link in the description and you will get a $5 voucher off your first order, right? That will get you up and running. And if you want to use this system, if you want to use the people that I recommend, I'll actually put the link I put there will actually have my recommendations on them as well. That way I'm guiding you, but even though I'm guiding you, the system does a great job with actually helping you make an informed decision so you're not going blind. So I've been Angela, wishing you the best year ever. Go ahead and click the link in the description and in the very least, register your free account and just play around inside and have a look to see. Right? Thank you very much. Have a fantastic day.